Good. Awesome. Let me do this. And this. And one last thing. Yes. Okay. That's all I'm gonna say. Just okay. Awesome. Source done. Think. And last thing, I keep forgetting to do this. Sorry, guys. Starting, going, getting there. Let's see. There we go. There we go. There we go. Up and running. Awesome. Okay, we're good to go. I freaking hope. Let's see. Boom, banana, what up? And David, how are you guys? How's it going? Are we all ready for today? I'm waiting for my things to wake up. There we go. They woke up. It took a while, but they woke up. Hey, Boog, you just woke up now? What woke you up even? Just life, I guess. That's valid. What did I miss in the PM on Friday? Oof, that would have stung. Check, would have taken me out. Huh. What did I say about liquidity grabs? Interesting. Anyways, that would have been an awesome win. Holy cow, it just looked like it went down, 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 and just flipping more down. And now it's created a new, well, a big new daily opening gap. Let's see if it's going to want to come and fill this later. Probably, right? Hey, LP, what's up? David, why have you been awake that long? And Jetman, hi, how are you? Ashika, no, none. Solly, good morning, and only true trader. How are you guys? How has the morning, well, the morning. Let's rephrase that. How was the weekend for all of you? Jetman, how was my weekend? It was good. It felt long, but not long enough, if that makes sense. It's been busy. It's been a busy weekend, as you can see. I have coffee. You best believe I'm going to need it today. Hey, love, loyalty, and success. Also, cutie pie, adorable. Greetings from Argentina. Hey, Doc, that is awesome. My parents live in Uruguay. They're like just across the road from you. Herman, hi. Guitar guy. I stream every day. Yes. Herman, how was your weekend? How was everyone's weekend, actually? Did anything good happen? Are we just surviving? I need some... Do I? I think I have quite a funny idea for a Halloween costume that I know in particular David will love. David would love this one. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I think it's hilarious. But I'm also weird, so maybe don't listen to me. And the highs, I did not mark any highs, did I? Nope, like an absolute chop. Hi, this was taken. Here's a point. Massive point here. And a new point. Okay. Okay, now let's reset again. Woo! Let's calm the chaos down for a minute. Anyways, Lily, what's up? How you doing? JH? Oh, okay. Enjoy, enjoy. Thank you. Dustin, that's low-key amazing. Terrible dad joke, but really, really good. Oh, sorry. It's a really punny joke. There we go. No, Jetman, no, luckily I was not in a trade. Was anyone? I know some people were. Smokey, what up? Fever Dream, ICT. I use some ICT concept, yes. Hey, guitar guy, amazing. How has your journey been going, by the way? Haven't spoken to you in a while, guitar guy. So how has the trading been going? Captain Crunch, is it a holiday? Is it a holiday? Trader Rensler, what's up? Yeah, only true trader, I remember that. I remember that. You were indeed a lucky fish. Is it Michael? Or Mitchell? Anyways, hi, the Mitchell. I'm from South Africa. Captain Crunch, yes. What holiday is it? Where? LP, let's hope market is better than Friday. Friday wasn't bad. After a specific point, no, but London market, you're right. It was just choppy. It was just going sideways. I didn't know it was a holiday. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh! Oh, cool. It's Thanksgiving in Canada? Really? Can we check if the NAS rest from its 800 point loss on Friday? Ayo, Mark, how you doing, by the way? Yeah, basically, it's nearly. Yeah, no, I lie. It's not nearly. It has not really, Mark, so if we check, here was that drop. Nah. Sorry, I know that looks like absolute pure chaos. Apologies about that. Oh, you're from Uruguay? That's awesome. Trade delicious, hell yeah. Rafiq, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Captain Crunch, you would or wouldn't? Oh, there we go, wouldn't, sorry. Yeah. Ugh. Man, okay, I didn't know it was so many holidays today. Oh well, it is what it is. Oh, damn, Renslow. Damn. No, let's hope. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna... You in a long or a short, Renslow? Airy, hi. Yeah, it's not that bad, Markino. Hey, Green, what's up? Rensler? I'm not gonna say anything. Oh, Boom Banana, I should have spent the weekend cleaning, but it was busy with other things, so. Momentum trading, I mean, yeah, theoretically, yeah. Target, I'm pretty sure that's just, part of the game. I say game, that sounds bad, but been there, done that quite often. I'm gooning again. Hi, money time. What's the play? Very good question. I should maybe focus a teeny tiny tad bit. A long from here might not be terrible. It did just take out this little bit of a high, but it kept traveling up. Let's see. Taken there, so that's a very decent shelf. Okay, this is actually quite good. I don't know if it's going to come back this far to get me. But I'm not hating this. How big is this? Before I place it. Make this one like 5. What time is it? Okay, we're still good with regards to time. Okay, let's double check now. 2 minutes. Ooh. If this comes back down, this is not bad. It looks like it might just be running away. Yep. No, I think it's just running away. Rensler, are you whoop whooping right now? Sorry guys, I know I'm not reading the chats right now. I'll get on that ASAP. Just checking here. What does it look like on the 15-minute? It's been a slow grind back up. Yep, it has. That's good. That's good. I kind of thought it would take out the new daily opening gap. Maybe it'll do that during the New York session. I'm not too sure. It's kind of what happened last week. It climbed during London and then dropped during New York, right? Yes, I think that is. I know obviously each week's going to be different, but if I'm remembering, that looked weird. If I'm remembering correctly, that is what happened last week. It's just running away from me. I do not speak Spanish. No, sorry. Long, but was not cooperating to London. Oh, okay. Joel, no, apparently they're not closed today, so that's cool. Hi live. What up? How you doing? How you doing? David? Anyways. The graphs will show you nothing worth anything. Explain, please, McDon. Trader Rensler, whoop whoop, amazing, well done. Holy cow, this climbed properly. Okie dokie. This is now big. Should maybe change the amount of contracts I wanted to pop in here. No, actually these are fine. This is a $200 risk. Like I said, let's see if it comes to get me in. This is quite a big movement now, so probably not. But at least, you know, I've said it and I saw it. Yeah, it is what it is. Looks like all future markets are green today. Good target, really? Oh, that's okay. That's okay. We are all here. I actually have so much respect for people whose second language is English, because English is hard. Oh my gosh, I struggle with it, and I am English. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself that I didn't learn another language. I mean, I know Afrikaans, but it's not much help out of South Africa. The metrics, yes. You broke what? Okay. Obi Oseni? Nothing yet. I've only been trading since April. I'm still trying to pass my eval account. Like I said, I'm not here to lie to people. Okay. Mr. Clapper, stop the scam, not cool. Interesting. I'm glad you think this is a scam. Moving on. Like I said, guys, everyone that's been watching me for a while knows that I'm very honest. I have everything up. I'm honest about if I've blown an account. I'm not here, you know. Selpa, you can speak 4 languages? Read and speak. What? What languages can you speak? Hey, Jonky PH. Hey, how you doing? Yes, I am new to trading, Obi Oseni. Yeah. Right, Rensler, that's the... this is not going to come back to get me in at all. This is just running away without me. I mean, maybe potentially... This just ran away without me. Oh well, it is what it is. It's about to take out a little bit of liquidity now. Let's see. Guitar Guy, you found that you like trading gold futures. Now, I've heard the gold has been really good recently. I've heard it's been really great. Oh, thanks, Jonky. No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Here we go. I tried one last time. Is this a bad idea? Has it taken everything it wants to now take? Is this a fake out? Thoughts, guys? Ah, thanks, Emily. Ah, boom. Whoop, whoop. Well done. Randall, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Micros, to be more specific. David, you are... Yeah, David and Son, you guys are hilarious. To be fair, I'm dying to go visit Australia. I think it'll be amazing. But anyway. Thank you. Oh gosh, wow. I'm getting like a lot of... This is awesome. A lot of messages. So apologies if I do not respond to anyone. I'm not ignoring you. I just literally am not getting the messages. Ooh, Trader Renza, nice. Randall, Anonymous, hi. And where are you from? Karen? Karan, hi. I'm from South Africa. Oh, Emily, what are you not understanding? We were talking rubbish. What time is it there? It is now 9:20 a.m. Yeah. Ooh, all the Australians here today, which is so cool. Ooh, okay, Good Samaritan. And how do you find it? Do you prefer it or nah? This is now huge. This is now huge. What does it look like on the 5 minute? Guys, what are your thoughts? Do you think this is worth it? This could come just tag me out. It might be wanting to jump back onto VWAP. I think it's going to quickly grab the liquidity and maybe then shift back down. What do you guys think is going to happen after this? Or was that the move and now we consolidate? Because that'll freaking suck. Louis Arthur, you're in cell. Nice. Oh, Emily. Okay, go play Roblox. Roblox? Have fun. Option 7377. Did I ever go through baby pips? No, not really. Thanks. It's a bit to get used to. Very similar though. Okay, what are the differences? Out of legit curiosity, what are the differences? Trader Rensler, what's happened? TradeStar Hindi, yes. Smart money concept. Is it 420 there? Solar line, coffee for days. Just coffee for days. Dag and nab it. I'm just doing this out of pure curiosity. No, that even wouldn't have even come far enough to get me. And if it was this itty bitty range? Itty bitty range? Nope, that would have tagged me out. Okay. That's frustrating. Okay, liquidity grab. Are we gonna keep soaring up now? I really thought it would have come to get that gap. Like I said, could this just be pushing up for potential reversal later? HTMX Honda, hi, I'm good and you? Plasma Zombie, why? Contract size, mainly the platform change, but the markets move the exact same. Okay, Good Samaritan, interesting. I want to ask if you're preferring it, but I guess if it's much of a muchness, I'm sure you're not hating it, right? Okay, took the liquidity now. It's just running away. Sorry, I think I'm starting to see boom strategy. Starting being the keyword here. Okay. There we go. 978 next TP. Next TP. Happy. Oh my gosh. $978, what? Damn. Samaritan. Yeah, I've heard the spreads are a problem. Suvana? Sorry, I hope I said that right. First time here, are you teaching trading or learning? Learning. I'm not qualified to be a teacher at all. Maybe because it was monthly open price. But then interesting, maybe. Big boy TP. Golly. Hell yeah. Oh, damn. Okay, enjoy. Amazing to meet you. Interesting. I saw this. I saw this. Boom. See, I am learning. Okay, well, the volume's slowing down on the upside for now. Is it going to retrace? I'm not taking this purely for the reason that it took out liquidity, which means it could do a bigger retest back down. Hell yeah! Savannah, then welcome. There's no better place to learn. There's a bunch of people that have been doing this for years, and they're all giving tips and sharing their knowledge and support, which is amazing, and it's amazing to learn from them. Melvin, how are you? I love tech, right? It's hectic. Maya, am I back? Oh, of course, I'm always here. Always here. You guys will never miss me. You might get annoyed with me, but you'll never miss me. Teach you some trading. Like I said, I don't quite think I'm qualified to do that. Love you from Indonesia. Hi. Hi from South Africa. Boom banana. Okay. Oh damn. Oh damn. Guys, thanks for all the new subs. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Sam, of course I do. Of course I do. I mean, this is then starting to look better. Do you think it will retrace back down once more? The problem is these little retracements are not far enough to tag me in. Bro or charter, hi. Savannah, this is Project X. This is the platform I'm looking at. Silly. How are you? Hi. Zara, you love trading holiday days? Why? I haven't really traded lots of holiday days. I've been told, you know, stay off the market when it's holidays, but I mean, this is pretty freaking decent momentum, so... Raquel? Did I say that right? I hope I said that right. Hello from Sydney, Australia. Another Australian. This is so cool. Clearly, I'm gonna have to go visit Australia. That's, you know, the universe is just putting it out there. I must just go visit. Here we go. Part of me is a bit too chicken to take this, but another part of me is like, And this is not FOMO kicking in for once, believe it or not. This is just because there is a very clear upward momentum now. Let's see. Got my little order block. I've got a fair value gap. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This is either... Yeah. Miko, why am I trading bank holiday? To be fair, I didn't even know it was a bank holiday. And right now, this appears to actually be not too terrible. Damn, boom, you up 30 points, gonna take half out. Thank you. Oh, that is so cool. I don't think I'll be able to. I'm limited to the amount of contracts that I can put on using Project X. So, oh, I mean, I could. Okay. I could. I must change it then to 10 contracts. Oh, this is gonna burn if it doesn't work. Oh well. It's gonna take me out. But I mean, I'm not gonna be using Tradeify that much longer, so I can. That sounds terrible, but oh, Sam, I have different headbands. So I have a white one, I have a pink one, I have a brown one, I have a light pink one. Boom Banana, you can't wait to short this. Boom, do you think it's gonna go back down to the new daily opening gap? Maybe during the New York session? What are your thoughts? Thank you, Sab. Yeah, I've been told that my face has subtitles, which I guess is a bad thing. It's just also not a great thing because you can see what I'm thinking. John David Ricker, this is the Nasdaq futures. Yes. Do I trade Livecraft? Yes, I do, I think. At 3:30. Do you mean 3:30 p.m. South Africa time? Only true trader? Yeah, I'm gonna try switching props. You know, maybe use the ones I'm affiliated with, right? So it sounds terrible, but then it doesn't matter if I blow this account and what did someone said the other day, and I was like, you know what, it's valid. You learn when you lose big. You know, it could maybe not be the correct way of thinking, but sometimes you learn really quickly when it stings a little bit more, and then you stop doing that. Since market has tended to move strongly in one. Ooh, interesting, Zar. I've never really looked at that. Euro motive, you think, yep, only ups. Brian, so I trade the Nasdaq futures, or the micros to be more specific. Why? Sweet and simply, I started with them, specifically the micros, so that I didn't blow through capital. And I wanted to stick with one asset instead of jumping around and confusing myself, and I want to get good at that one asset. That's purely why. There's no like specific reason why I'm not trading another one or whatever the case may be. No, why didn't you go down a little bit further? Oh well. Yeah, Sam, yeah. No, Solid, why don't you want to hop on stream? I think that'll be lots of fun. Don't trade when there's big news out either. Guitar guy. So interesting. Interesting. So I heard. I think that's just the thing. Everyone has different ideas of what's best. Some people say when there's big news out, trade quickly before the news. And let's see what happens. And then someone else said, obviously, do not trade before the news, only trade after the news. I guess it all just, at the end of the day, comes down to what is your strategy? Does it work with whatever? You know, is it quick scalp before news to get in, get out? Is it a long hold? Because then obviously wait until after news because you don't know what it's going to do. I think it just all comes down to that. Like I said, correct me if I'm wrong. I really always find it so interesting. Oh, Brian, nice. Which prop? Yeah, which prop do you use, Brian? Well, we're in. Let's see if it goes up or if it comes to get me. Should I do that half and half? Okay, let's stay half. We take out 5. Hello. There we go. I was about to say, like, excuse me. Let's see. Take partials. Aww. Ray, you trade NQ, you trade the open. Trade, lose, repeat. Sam, no. Solid. Ooh, banana. Oh, you think it's gonna go short? I don't, Sam. Alipak or Alipak? Sorry, not sure. So all the ones I'm affiliated with are amazing. They're all really good with their payouts. So that's the reason, you know, I want to hop in on that. Why would I long there? Why wouldn't I long here? Out of curiosity. Everything will only be setting lower. Clover, you think so? Why? Ian, everything's in the description. Yeah. Catty woman, hi. Clover, you think it's a bear's market now? Did it take out a level? What makes you say that? Out of curiosity. Why do you say it's a bear's level now? Just because it was respecting something? Did it bounce off of something? My execution model. So I have a very sweet and simple strategy. I know some people love it, some people hate it. I mean, it can be modified depending on the person, but it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. Sweet and simply range strategy, bottom of the range to top of the range. I need to sometimes work on which is the correct range to take during when, you know, throughout the days. I'll figure it out. Like I said, I haven't been using this strategy for very long. I have been back and forth testing it. But anyways, point is, top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% is entry level. Auction market theory, right? You want to be in discount. 50% is entry level. So I know it's not deep discount, but it is discount. And then 2 or up is TP. Tokyo liquidity sweep. Richie, I'm not wearing headphones. This is a headband. Big timer, you think market will crash this week? Sorry. If it's a bear market, I'm hibernating. James, I love that. AB3, I was like, what are you going on? And then I realized who you were talking to. I was like, oh, got it. Anyways. Gosh. Yes, 50%. Then you will love me, Mitchell Edwards. Nerd for days. No, I'm not. Lucky Lefty's stop loss is at 24900. It might take me out. Can you see the worry in my face right now? It is what it is. Eric Hawkins, what up? 83, you think he'll jump Wednesday or Thursday? Why? And your mom, you think it's a long Monday. I mean, it had a huge push this morning. I mean, especially for the London session, it was quite a big. Okay. Travisam, thank you, I appreciate that. No, I'm not an Aussie. No, I'm South African. What? James, hello from New Orleans. Hello, welcome. How are you? On NQ, most impressive time is New York session, according to me, due to high volatility. So I trade both, Abby. I trade the New York session and the London session. So I'm here for both of them. So I will be back for New York later today. Well, for me later today. I know some people that's tomorrow. But for me, later today. Danielle, I mean, I don't have much of an opinion with regards to that. I know some people prefer that. I've just never done it. Like I said, I'm quite new to it. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do that. But I know some people say that's the best way, is to just put money in and forget about it and let it grow by itself. That's okay, Stefan. Miguel, welcome. Sam, sorry, I did not see your questions. Clover, are you also South African? This is going to be short. This is going to hit my stop loss. Oh well, anyways, moving on. Ali, which part are you confused about? Never mind. What do I do? I trade on the Nasdaq. Yeah. Anyways. Give me 2 seconds. Up. There we go. Nope. Goodness gracious. Give me 2 seconds. There you are. Nope. Why is my thing being so annoying? Cool. Done, I think. Oh, it's going down. There we go. Is that even a corset? No, really, it's just comfy. I guess, I don't know, some people would call it a corset. It's just a comfy strapless shirt, theoretically. Guitar, I look like I could be a gamer when I'm not trading. Usually, yes. Like I said, life has just been a little bit busy at the moment, so not recently, which is a bit of a bummer. But gaming, this is where the proper nerd comes out. D&D, so much fun. Is my screen paused? Sorry if it is. Yeah, no, I was like, be mean to me, whatever. You do not disrespect Boom Banana. Did you see that, guys? I was nice. I'm putting it out there. Boom, I think maybe you should snap that. That's not it. What's it called? What's it called? It has a name. I forgot it. Anyways. Thanks, right? Knowing about model is necessary except spoon feeding. Can you guide me about my model? I can. Give me 2 seconds. Trader Rensler. So the one that I've finished to completion because it was so much fun actually was Hogwarts Legacy. That was awesome. I do also play Tina's Tiny Wonderland on Xbox. Oh flip, I've played another one on Xbox. I can't remember the name of now. I want to have a look at Roblox. I've downloaded Minecraft. I just haven't, like I said, I haven't had time to play, which is bad. I am disgustingly terrible at shooting games though. Like, it's not even a joke. I'm horrific at them. Look, thank you, Boom Banana. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Mohammed? I mean, you can pop me an email. That sounds like fun. Jeshua, hi. How are you doing? Oh, sorry, Guitar Guy. It's not me, right? Sorry. Oh, Boom Banana. Well, too bad. I have that evidence. I'm just saying. I got it. This is gonna take me out. Here we go. So, you're asking about my trading strategy, right, Ali? And is it F3 or Ava? F3? AV3? Sam, no idea. I have not even been, there it is. I've not even been trading for a year. Watch it now go down to that range. It's fine. Here, let's use this. I think this is the only point so far that would have maybe been a tag in. Yep. Here we go. So, like I said, I tend to use a range model, and I do look for confluences. I did have a fair value gap. There was a decent order block, especially on the 3. It's going to go up now, isn't it? No, I think it's going down. Point is, the problem was I didn't mark out the Tokyo high. That's on me. I should have marked out the Tokyo high, but it's fine. Moving on. Sorry, can you see my brain is in 25,000 different places today? Oh, nice, boom. Thank you. Yes. They always sweep the edge of high low and then go in the true direction. Like I said, it's on me. I thought it was just gonna keep. So trend is friend, and it just looked like it was pushing up. So I kept with the up, and there was a fair value gap. Wait a second. Nope, not the 5 minute. I lied. Here we go. I had a fair value gap. I had this little bit of a shelf, if you will, and a little bit of an order block. I thought maybe it would respect it, but with that push up, yeah, I was waiting for it to retest a little bit further down. But here on the 5 minute, you can see this one is awesome. I lie. It does not look awesome on the 5 minute. There we go. That's better. This entry here would have been amazing. Went up, retraced back down into the 50%. I had VWAP, was close to the stop loss, so it would have been a little bit risky. And then it just shot all the way back up. I have deleted the liquidity, if I'm not mistaken. I think there was a bunch of liquidity around this area as well. Alright. Let's see now. I just deleted that without marking it. But there is also a short that kind of explains it very briefly. Like I said, there are confluences. I try and look for at least 3 confluences, at least 3 of them to make it an A+ setup. Obviously, market structure, it's going up. Stick with up. Trend is friend until it's not, right? Anyways, I was gonna say watch it start pushing up now. It's fine. Ray, fair value gaps are not great. Ooh, explain please. Wilmer, nothing so far. Am I using MAC and RSI as indicators as well? No. Clover, I don't know enough about crypto, so I can't give an honest opinion with regard. Sorry, my dog's snoring. If you hear weird noises, it's my dog. Clover, you think the short's going to be in for a while now? Entrapped traders. Interesting. Oh, you guys are funny. You guys are hilarious. Okay. However, here we go. I think. Is this it? The big short, not on the smaller charts. Okay, Clover, you think the big one? Oh, you guys are hilarious. My trades will open till Jan. I'll chop a lot and there will come opportunities in the chop for sure. Damn, Clover. Okay. Okay. Martin, hello from Denmark. Hello from South Africa. How you doing? And in fact, are you guys saying that Dow is just pushing down now? Ooh, close, AV. Close. Close. Colton, yeah, this is just a friendly chat. This is just a friendly chat. I like to think, anyways. I think it's nice on the eyeballs. I know some people don't like it. That sounds weird to say, but you know, it's calming colors. And when you see green and red, sometimes, I know not everyone, but sometimes it does make you panic a little bit. So as long as you know what your colors mean, it works. It works for me. Ali, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Skeletor, that's terrible. Hell yeah, Clover, how did you know? Nearly died on my coffee, but we're okay. Ooh. Okay. Could this still be a short setup? Oh, guys. Has to respect this, right? Have I figured out Boom Banana's secret sauce? Possibly. I'm waiting to see. This might go up now. I could be wrong. I'm waiting to see. If I have, then this is gonna be fun. Rock? Oh, I am. Baby Blue, you funny. Clover, I know my people. Welcome, another 98 baby. How are you doing? Sorry. Yes, fine. Oh, nice. Oh gosh, okay. Sorry, I think I may have missed some messages. If I have, I apologize again. Boom Banana, what do I think your source is? Aw, thanks Clover. Enjoy your day. Boom is built different. Okay. Boom is built sassy, but anyways. That's okay. Anthony, what's up? Oh, thank you, Nick. No one can copy Boom. Let's see. Boom, correct me if I'm wrong, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. If it breaks this level here, well, theoretically, I think it would break down here. You're gonna go for a sell. If it breaks up here, you're gonna want to look for a buy. Am I getting close? Kind of. Oh my gosh, no, the sharks. Okay. Thanks, Solly. Oh my goodness. Don't hate the player, hate the... Oh, the squiggly line. Sorry, that's the VWAP. Ray, you say it's going down. Ooh. You know when Boom says that I might be onto something. Here we go. Okay, so looking for shorts. especially if the candle closes. Ooh, beneath. This could be something. Let's see. I just used a different range here. Just made it a tiny bit bigger. It's Solly your lawyer now. Interesting, interesting. VWAP is value. Sorry, no, volume. There we go. Volume weighted average price. Oh, hopefully I haven't screwed myself. Let's see. Ray, you say it's going back to VWAP. Nice. This is the Nasdaq futures. Give me 2 seconds. Shush. Okay, Oh shoot. Sorry, I saw that late. Yes. Who's that? Oh, I'm in this now. Let's see what happens. Hey, Roshan. It is what it is today. That's all I'm gonna say. It is what it is today. And apparently it just is a day to blow accounts. It's fine. Roshan, how's it going for you? Shola, what up? Signs of end time. Hi. Let's see. Roshan, no, not yet. VWAP is down there. Awesome, awesome. Oh, I maybe need to set my stop. Hey, I'm at 10. I'll stop at 5. It's at 50 to do another 5. This is just not looking great today. Hope it respects it. Let's see. Boom Banana. Ooh, you're still waiting for entry. No. Brian, none. NQ is full of fake outs, right? Yep, a little bit, but let's see. I did make the range a little bit bigger on this one. Maybe not big enough. It's fine. Oh, Roshan, I'm doing terribly today. There we go. Wait, it's respecting the 3-minute order block. Ah, okay. I should have maybe checked the 3-minute. Give me 2 seconds. I love tech. Oh, you weren't here earlier. You weren't here earlier. I'm low-key going for it because if I blow the account, it's fine because I'm changing prop firms. So I'm kind of just, you little bugger. Seriously. Seriously? Seriously. a little bit unnecessary. Anyways, we appear to be chopping a little bit now. Ray NQ needs wide stop. Well, especially with today. Yes. Especially with today. Let's see. I still wouldn't have been find that. That one, jeez. Okay, apparently that was the range. Huh. Okay, getting back into tank zones? What that? Boom Banana, you think New York is gonna be the move? What? Nope. What? What did it say? Alex, this is Project X. Ray, you think it's going to break through VWAP and go lower. Let's see. You are welcome, Alex. Guys, give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. My dog woke up and is now asking to go out. I forgot to open the door. Let's see. Ray, I'm waiting to see if it does go through VWAP and just keep going down. There we go. Sorry, it didn't want to unmute. Ray. Boom Banana. Anyways. Damn, Shocker. Well done. I missed the long. Oh well. It is what it is. Next week, so now expected to go for higher lows. Shoshka, okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see. It's near VWAP on ES. Just tapped into it now. Is my VWAP at the correct level? Let's maybe start with that important question. I feel like Boom Banana is lying. Boom Banana just doesn't want me to know his secrets. Is it? Nox, where's it taking you? Place a long order on a lower demand area. You think so? Boom's just here lying all the time, saying that it's my fault he's not spilling the sauce. we know why he's not fulfilling the source. He just doesn't want people to know all of his little secrets. Naturally, VWAP's now doing weird and wonderful things. Fine. It's fine. I hate my VWAP with a freaking passion. Needs to make up its mind. This is massive. Wow. Cool. I was about to say. And now we're just going down. I think that was super rude. It just ticked me out of my short and is now going down again. Unnecessary. Okay, okay. Check that 3-minute chart. Damn, okay, things are being slow as hell today. Sorry, I don't know, that it might be from my side. I apologize. Doshka, you've been trading for 4 years now. Rob Trader, what should be your target? Oh, good. Oh, Okay, that's actually a good question. Guys that have been trading for longer, with the short, what do you think the target's going to be? 3-minute, respected it, now closed below it. Interesting, okay. Means it could be going low. Sorry, I'm having lots of conversations with myself today. I apologize in advance. Can you tell it was a very long weekend? It was a very long weekend. It's a short on demand, that's why I got stopped. So you entered when the order block was closed below? Yes, I probably should have done that. Okay, we're just going to 23. Really? You think so? Why that level? Low amount of one down slowly, not with imbalances. Okay. That curve is helpful. I mean, yes and no. It's helpful if it freaking stayed where it's supposed to stay. Mine keeps moving. Do people think it's gonna go down to, where is it? There it is. New daily opening gap. At 244. Nope. Yep, at 480. Do we think that could be a possibility for the shorts? Especially maybe during New York? And Ngu? It's not going down anymore. Okay. What did I do this weekend? I think that's the problem. I think I was super busy. Yeah. Non-stop. And trying to sort out things. I don't know how, just things with the horses and. It was just a long weekend, so it's fine. No. I do not have, or X, I guess. I do not have X. And Ngo, you think it's gonna move sideways for a bit and then move down? What did I say about my stupid little curve wiggle line? I mean, it was up there earlier. It was up there earlier, and now it's dropping below it. Abraham, what's up? Right, it's going down. Don't trust indicators. Think what smart money is doing. You think so? Ray, so that's how you just trade. You don't look for indicators or anything. Interesting. Okay. Can have a look into that. This is where I wanted my entry to be earlier. That's just, it's too big. That's just too ridiculous, unfortunately. Look. Right. Oh, just price action, that's it? Seke, you see a slight bound up before settlement. Interesting. Let's see. Cup pattern, I see a slight bound. Okay. Okay. Naturally, the one I didn't take wouldn't have gotten me. That one, if I'd followed it down, would have tagged and gone down honestly. That one looks like it would have, no? Yep, that would have taken me out. We are now kind of ranging a little bit. But higher if you can sell point. Going to short ups, not higher later. When New York opens, it'll either reverse or be a continuation. With tariff news, may run it down. Is there tariff news? Or are you talking about the news? Oh, hello. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Properly. Awesome. Yeah, no, that's going down. So fun. DJ Scream. Ray, yes, you did. Is that where VWAP's actually supposed to freaking be? Because it's hit this VWAP like 3 times because this VWAP keeps moving. Like I said, I hate this VWAP so much. Down, tapped into it, respecting it a little bit. So I'm watching now. I'm trying to take note of little things that come into play. That looks like it would have hit stop loss. Vaza, what up? How are you? Thank you say up we go. Look at the wick on the 3-minute. Let's see. Give it a second. Sorry guys, apparently my Wi-Fi is being a little bit slow today. Sorry, I don't know why. And people play. Oh damn. So my initial entry, when I just hopped on, oh, okay. Give it a minute, give it a minute. Survive the weekend, start again this week. So that sounds about right. Rob, you took 25 points and locked yourself out. Nice. The Q trend is nice. Just traps to cause FOMO. DJ Scream. I don't have much of an opinion. I try and stay out of that as much as possible. I think that's keyword there. As much as possible. It wouldn't have even hit. That would have been rude. Thank you for figuring out things. Like I said, this range is just way too big. This would have been 33 points for today, which is not great, but it is what it is. Louis Graham, you're looking to enter a buy at 24,700. That's a very big sigh, Perry. Okay. Wait. Why that area? Graham, why that area? 8-bit. Yeah, 8-bit futurist it is. And it keeps moving. Don't worry. It drives me absolutely crazy. I've tried to fix it like 3 times and it keeps doing its own freaking thing. Today is a be patient type of day, yes. Boom, what's up? You saying Maya, what's up? This is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be more specific. Tokyo session felt as choppy as this. Oh no. Sorry, Trader Rensler. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. Just Yeah. This looks like it would have been a goodie. Buys will be crushed. It's only a bounce. It's going to wave. KR wish I shorted. Put in a stop loss at previous candle. Okay, weren't you looking at the buys? Ooh, it's respecting this little order blocky here. Sorry, yes, apparently my Wi-Fi is being a tad bit slow today, so that's not fun. That's not great. Broad spread aggressive. There we go. Thank you. This 855 level, I'm curious about if it respects it or not. I'm just going to make a note at 855. I'm going to make a note there because I'm genuinely curious about this. Fake news. Any wins? No. 15 minutes. Here we go. Oh, it's going to be slow. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Brooke, hi. Shout out from New Zealand. That is so cool. Ooh. Oh. It just bounced off the 50% of the fair value gap. Okay. Deposit recommend. What do you mean? What? For new players? You're thinking the Gulf Street. Looks like it'll only go up unless Trump opens his mouth. Yeah, shocker. It kind of looks like it slowly wants to climb. Yeah. I thought it might... Oh, the new opening gap on the 1 hour is a bit smaller. But I thought it would want to come back down to... Oh, sorry. It's not even in new daily opening gap. It's the NWOG, new weekly opening gap. I was wrong. I really thought maybe... But I mean, it could still potentially go back down to this level during New York session. I'm not sure. That would have been a win. Cool. I want to see if it rejects off of this level. Oh, it did reject off of there quite nicely. They're going to be a rejection. Augustine, what's up? I'm not saying I'm gonna go into one, I'm just looking. Hey, slow boy, how are you? Meh. just meh today. And that it is what it is. Okay. Good morning, good morning. T-Rex, you bunny. Okay, let's see if it keeps respecting this level. If it'll come back up a little bit more to get me in. I don't know if it will. I'm gonna keep a very... This is a better entry. This is a better entry. If it goes up that high. I don't know if it will. Oh, so how do you manage the frustration, there we go, English, of missing out on trades? I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't handle it that well, and that's when FOMO comes into play, and FOMO is bad. Don't do FOMO. But I just have to keep telling myself, and it's like all of you amazing people keep saying, there's always another trade. Yeah, there's always another trade. Why did it move so far down? I'm hoping this is just the hectic rejection off of that. Anyways. Thomas, what's up? Let's see. Oh no, I can't even do anything. How frustrating. How frustrating. Who was it that said it? Awesome sauce. And Zane, what's up? How's it going? Let's see, it's now made an inverse fair value gap. 50%, I'm gonna take out 5. And then at my TP, that's a bit less than 50%, but anyways. The other 5. That's closer to 50. Cool. Let's do this. Zane, was it? Well, what's everyone OMGing? What's happening? Thomas K, I'm trying it. I'm giving it a proper try. Right? And maybe it's a thing of once it's taken a partial, I can then potentially move lower down. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Move to break even, so that even if I get stopped out, doesn't matter, because I've taken partials. Thomas, yeah, boom, I'm learning. It takes a while, but I'm learning. Grady, hi. Amy, do I like arts and crafts? Why? Damn, Kay. Damn. Yes, okay. Whoop whoop, by the way. Amazing. I'm glad. I am, but I'm also not learning. Do you see how I literally marked out this area? Let's see, it's about to hit VWAP on ES. Hopefully it rejects back down. I did think we'd have a big rejection off of this level. See, I'm quite happy about that. I saw this level and I thought, this looks promising. Should have maybe then chanced it and been like, try a very quick buy at this level, but like I said, I'm still figuring things out. But I'm a little bit chuffed with myself. I know that sounds very, very arrogant, but you can see I specifically marked out this level. And I thought there's going to be a bounce off of it. Sorry. Boom, maybe we can. Oh, T-Rex, thanks. Come to Bali and try see the surroundings. Could. Thomas, you're what? You're living? Oh, you're leaving? Zane, really? Okay. Well, let's see how this goes. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa, Yogendra. Yeah. Thank you, Kay. Yeah, thank you. You guys want to know why I made a note of this level? I'm in a downtrend fighting the tide. Look to your left, they're going to be taken out. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Okay, partial taken. Nice. Do I bother moving it? Maybe not. Do I? Not. Do I? Not. Nah. Let's give this a go. Then either way, it's green. Right, yeah, so the main reason for this trade, this was an A+ setup right here. I had a fair value gap. I had a bit of a, I call it a shelf as protection. I had this order block over here, and it was, if my VWAP was correct, it was below VWAP. Like I said, my VWAP's just dumb as hell. But anyways. Okay, oh, thank you, okay. Sweet and simply, if we zoom out, do you see this high resistance level right here? That's where I draw it, right at that support zone. Like I said, I call them shelves. I don't know if there's a proper word for them, if I'm talking absolute rubbish, but at this level here, you can see this was high resistance, which tends to mean it could also be a high support zone. That's why I drew it out of curiosity. Like I said, I'm slowly learning, and the fact that I got that was nice. Figured that one out slightly, which is cool. It does mean it might consolidate in this area a little bit though, but let's see if it breaks through. T-Rex, I went, there were no shocks. I even spoke to them on Saturday, and last week they had like one shock, so I was like, okay, so I have to just keep waiting for that. Could I enter a second trade while I'm in a trade? Is that cheeky? Would it be cheeky to do this? Is that frowned upon? Because this is nice. I don't know if it's going to go that high up though. Ray, you know my strategy? Yeah, good? Bad? Okay. Oh, hey doggy, what's up? Waist high? Thanks. That is the, well, yes and no. Like I said, it would have been nice. Would I? Thank you. Should I? Is that, like I said, it kind of feels cheeky, but I mean, if I can. Because like I said, this is quite a nice one. I don't know if it's frowned upon, but we're gonna give it a try. I could be being very cheeky. But I'm giving it a try because I have realized in the past that it would have worked. Yeah. You think market is going to grind? Really, BYY? Also, hey, how you doing? Baba? Cool. Welcome back. Word. If you want to refine your strategy, you should look for fair value gap to take a long or short. Be a value gap below and above. Or shorts. Okay, Thomas. Okay. I know exactly what you're saying. I do. I need to start refining it. I do need to start refining it. It's not, like I said, I enjoy the strategy. Yeah, I would obviously prefer a higher win rate, and I know that's actually on me for taking not the bestest trades all the time. So yeah. Do I even then blame the strategy? Then it's not even the strategy. That's on me for taking the wrong setups. T-Rex, you think incoming global collapse? Really? Brayden, you want to be my boyfriend? You're gonna have to fight some people for that. Rick, hi. Ooh, okay, LP. I don't know if it's cheeky, but I thought it might be nice. Maybe it's gonna screw me, maybe it's not. Let's find out. But this one's quite nice. It has the shelf and the auto block and an end. Let's find out what happens. Okie dokie then. Brown NQ, much love from Cape Town. Oh, thank you. Hello from the other coast. And it's respected. Hello. Why did it jump there? Anyways. I don't know why it jumped there, but moving on. Let's take a partial here, potentially. Oh, that's what. No, I did not. Did I do something wrong? No, I didn't. I'm confused. Oh, poop! I'm too late! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! There we go. It should have taken out my partial. There we go, took out partial. Awesome. Now that goes break even. Cool. I think. And just like that, I'm in the green. That was exhilarating. Ooh. Guys, that was cool. That was cool. Interesting. Shocker, hold steady. If it takes Oh, thanks guys. That was awesome. Ray, well done by the way. Well called. Bounced off of this level twice, which was awesome. So that was 2 wins in one go. I did have 2 losses this morning, so I was down 500 and something. I'm now up $44. Cool. Cool bananas. That was cool. So here's one. And yes, I just said cool bananas. I'm gonna have to just overlap these 2. And 2. Okay. No, don't do that, Maya. Chop. There we go. That was entertaining. That was entertaining. Thanks, guys. That was, yeah. I sound like a queen or princess or something. Only true trader, thank you. Yeah, that was... Yeah, okay. Cool. 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 On it. See, I am learning slowly, but surely, I think is the key word there. Aha. Sorry. A cool banana is underused for real. Shock. I love that. Yes, valid. Thank you, Nakabamba. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Ellie Games? I think. I'm from South Africa. Hi. Anyways. T-Rex stay exhilarated. Thanks, Boom. Game over, Jesse. Am I Spider-Man? Boom Banana, now go take a break. Yeah, I probably will. I mean, there's a few minutes left. Part of me wanted to be cheeky and be like, look, right here. But I think that's pushing it a little bit. That might be pushing it a tad bit. I don't think I'm gonna do that. To rather end on a high is good. That was terrifyingly fun, though. Terrifyingly fun. I've never done that before. Can you see I'm like in shock? Thank you. No, I don't trade gold. I trade the Nasdaq futures. You're long on the 1 minute to Asia high. Okay. Nice. Okay. If in doubt, zoom out. I don't think I want to trade again. Shaka, I'm agreeing with you. I think I started with 2 losses, but now made up for it and in the green, so that's good. That's a goodie, right? I'm not gonna complain about that. Trader Renza, thank you. I appreciate it. Trader, how's it going for you? What are you in? Were you in the shorts earlier? Because I remember you said you were kind of stuck at a level. Give me 2 seconds again. My dog's bugging me. Okay. Knight, you're gonna buy a new eval tomorrow. Awesome. What do you use again? Knight? I think you've told me. Why are you buying a new one? Out of the way. MD, my name is Maya. Hi. Wait, am I trying to see if no just 4933 candle off the 930. Bar closes. 3 contracts, 25 ticks buying or selling. Okay. Okay, Ray. Interesting. Oh. Let's see if this would have been a win. Like I said, I'm not doing it, but I'm looking for Great, let me copy paste this. What am I doing? Oh, notes. Notes. Oh, I love tech. I forgot to email you. Sorry, I just saw your email there because remember I copy pasted it. I'm so sorry. I will pop you an email just now. Hello from Kansas. Hi from South Africa. LB, this is futures, by the way. Whoop, here we go. Popped into this order block here. Damn, quite a heavy rejection off of this order block, actually. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't do that check on the way to where my stop loss would have been, and there we go. Nice. If I put it at this level, I don't know if I would have done that though, but let's see. Damn, it's bouncing hectically off of that order block. I'm only here for a few more minutes. I'm just genuinely curious to see what it does now. Candle breakout with momentum really fast, yeah. 897. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Patrick. I did not take note of this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Pick him. Wakey, wakey. Here we go. Voila. So, Patrick, you think it might be going to the equal highs? Ah, hi. Another South African. Welcome. Yeah, basically, LV. Shocker, let's go then. Ah, sorry. Winning? Awesome. $30. Hell yeah, Thomas. Thank you, by the way. You popped on for an awesome win. I was doing really bad. You should stick around. Apparently, you're really good luck. Anyways, thanks, Thomas. I'll see you later. Headed there. Might go to 913. Boom, why do you say that level? Or is that too much sauce? Right, let's not mess with the sauce. Always sweeps, all about liquidity highs and lows. Yes. Let's see now what it does. Oh, Richard, interesting. Franks, all we need is just a little patience. Yes, and I think that's where like FOMO and things becomes a problem, because you hear, you know, oh, these people are getting this and this and this, and you just want to jump in on the trend. If it works for your strategy and your setup, and you know what you, if you have a goal, I mean, you could jump in on it. Like I said, I've just tried it before, does not work for me. So it is what it is. As an engineer, I deal with a lot of Newton law equations, so much mathematics show. Is trading really to do with math, or is it to do with patterns? What do you guys think? Also, hi Frank, by the way. How are you? How have you been? How's the trading been going? Austin, money is laying down. Must be nice to be able to say that. Oh no, trader, I'm so sorry. Cheers, boom, enjoy. TB, I'm actually done. I was looking, this would have been for shorts. But I did not place it. I just had these nice 2 wins here, so that was cool. That was cool. Let's see. Hey, Zeba, how are you doing? Patterns, yeah. Wow, Thomas. So maybe you are. You're just like the lucky duck. Shocker. Day trading is like, I mean, a little bit of patterns and, obviously. But sometimes luck plays a part. Abhishek, explain what is this thing? What? The trading? Ooh, let's see if it is going to those higher lows. I mean, not even close. Equal highs? I don't know how it got. Anyways. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. I thought it was about patterns, but maybe some people use math, but apparently. So Ray, you said it's more for hedge fund. Probabilities is math. Oh, see, okie dokie. This is where it starts getting interesting. So patterns come from math. Nivan, care to explain a little bit further? Just because I genuinely find this very entertaining. Not in, those are wrong choice of words. Very interesting, not entertaining. Entertaining sounds bad. Follow the market maker. Well, apparently, Richard, it depends on who you ask. See, everyone has a bit of a different opinion on this one. Oh, thanks for the new sub, by the way. I'm probably only here for another minute or two. Another little tap. Potential W. Let's see. Patterns are from human algos. Wait. Patterns are from humans. Algos follow human. There we go. Thank you. Thomas, you think trading is 33% price action, 33% news, and 33% psychology. You don't have to master each of these, but you unlock about 25 as you have SM. Thomas K, that's interesting, actually. News and that's actually really, really valid. Shocker, I tend to stay until, so like now I can go because it is 11 on the dot. See, I'm just weird. No, that's fair. Mark 1, that does make sense. If you can get gold from this trade, are you talking about the setup? Is that what you mean? The setup does tend to work on all the different charts. Again, with discretion. It depends on the person. Who am I to be me? Interesting name. Do I think it'll bounce back up? I think it will. I don't want to lie. Part of me thinks it will. It might be headed to these equal highs. However, guys, I am going to call it. I have a very, very busy day. Today, it is what it is. have a very busy day today, so I do have to run in order for me to get everything done and still have a little bit of time to at least see my horses and take a breath before coming back for the New York session. But I will be back for New York. I think that's the important bit. I will be back. I'll be back. So I'm gonna call it there for today, and I will then see you guys for New York. Yeah, that was a very entertaining stream. It started shocking, and then that last, technically one trade, but 2 trades put me back up in the green. So that was awesome. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna call it there. Thank you. Thanks, Solly. I appreciate that. I think I'm gonna have to buy something stronger than coffee. Cheers, Thomas. Yes, I'll see you later. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, please. That's all I'm saying. Just go to sleep. I love you guys madly. If I'm alive by this afternoon, I'll be back for New York. But I love you guys madly, and I'll see you later. Love you.